the wildest comedy of the year. Animal and comedy.
Did you see that?
What just happened? He was falling.
I don't know, but that was amazing.
Did you see that? How did he do that? Was that planned?
Fresh vegetables right here. Get the freshest flowers in the market.
Help! Somebody help me! This chicken is relentless!
Down on the farm where the grass is so green, we're doing the move, the best you've ever seen. Step left, step right, doing the paddy glide. All the jerk.
Comedy. Comedy.
Hey, that's my hat.
Going!
You useless machine! Start right now or I'm selling you for scrap! Why are you doing this to me? Come on, start already! Why won't you start, you piece of junk?
I've got too many. Look out. Oh, God, it burst. Oh, no, it's falling. Watch out.